Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to make tuna salad. Tuna salad can be used so many ways. As an appetizer when you have friends over, some pita chips, crackers, as a lunch when you want a sandwich and avocado in between, works really well with the tuna salad. Or when you have cravings and you just want to munch on something, it can be just a snack. The tuna salad I make has a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of the sour from lemon, a crunch from celery, and fresh herbs as parsley. So it's a mixture of everything. Hopefully this will satisfy all the taste buds that you have. I like making this tuna salad every time I have guests over. Believe me, this salad is gone. It's never enough. Welcome to my kitchen and thank you for watching. For my tuna salad, of course, I need a tuna, diced pineapple, pickle relish, slice of lemon for lemon juice, mayo, mustard, and I like a stone ground, but Dijon will work well, fresh parsley, salt and pepper, and for the crunch, celery sticks. And what I like to do is sprinkle a little bit of turmeric on that salad. It's not necessary, it's really up to you. I like to add something good with health benefits to it. And this is what I need for my delicious tuna salad. For the tuna salad, even though the cans are so small, I like to use a bigger bowl. It's just easier to mix it all and make sure that all the ingredients are mixed well. And of course, I will have to chop everything. When you have all the ingredients chopped up and ready, the work goes so much faster. You just put it all in, mix it, voila, your salad is ready. And of course, I want to drain the water from the tuna. I'm using tuna in water, but I also like tuna in olive oil. So these are the two options for myself I like. And for those of you who are into checking the fat content, and all the other things on the label, tuna is not the same. There are different seasons for tuna, and with that, the content of the fat can vary. Tuna, depending on the season, can have more fat or less fat, more mercury or less mercury. So when you check the can, sometimes you can be surprised between the numbers listed on the label. I did not know that, so that was an interesting fact, and I thought I'll just mention it to you. My pineapple is cut up. I don't have to worry about the relish. Now I want to cut up the celery stick. And my tuna is already in, water discarded, so all I do is put it all together. And time to mix it. So the celery gives the crunch, pickle relish and pineapple sweetness, and now a little bit of lemon. Since it has seeds, I'm gonna squeeze it here first to make sure my seeds are not going in. My parsley will go on the end. So now time for the mayo and mustard. For the amount of tuna I have, 3 tablespoons should be enough. As far as the mustard goes, I will put about half a teaspoon. But again, if you love mustard, you're welcome to put a little bit more. You don't have to follow recipes exactly. Just taste, try it, see if it's good for your taste buds. Decide if you need anything else for you. The recipes are just to give you an idea, but on the end, you're the cook in your house and you're the one who's gonna eat it. So make it the way you like it best. So of course, salt and pepper, And as I mentioned, I like to put a little bit of turmeric on it also. And turmeric, as you know, works when you have some spice added to it. Turmeric gets activated that way. So since I have black pepper, it will work the way it's supposed to. Okay, so everything is mixed, and on the end I want to garnish it with the fresh parsley from my garden. Now I want to put it in a nice dish and then garnish it with the rest of my parsley. If you like onions, you can put onions into it. I do not enjoy onions that much, so I omit it, but you are welcome to put onions into the tuna salad to make it better for you. And here we have it. Smacznego! Thank you for watching. Even though my tuna salad, even though the cans are small, so the salad is not gonna, even though tuna changes the content of, for those of you who Hi again. I have decided to put a little clip together for those of you who are wondering why I have this bump on my hand. And when I move my hand, it becomes bigger or smaller, it moves around. This is a ruptured muscle, and I know it's very visible. I have it because I was in a car accident about 5.5 years ago, and I do not remember the accident. I woke up in a hospital a couple days later, and slowly things were coming together. I am very thankful I do not remember it, because I might be afraid of driving, and I feel comfortable driving a car right now. My husband and I, we were just driving on a main street, and someone was coming from a side street, not paying attention to the stop sign, driving pretty fast, straight into our car. The car was damaged, not drivable. I had broken ribs, some of my backbones were cracked. That was the other thing, the ruptured muscle, and of course bruises. The worst thing though was I was pregnant, 5 months pregnant with my daughter, and at the time in the hospital, my husband was told by the doctors that my chances of survival are about 10%, and for my daughter, probably 0. So that was the worst thing, the stress. The rest of the pregnancy, I had to sleep on that hospital bed in my own house, not laying down, but kind of sitting, and just worried about how the baby's doing, if the baby's going to be okay or not. Even today with all the technology, nobody can tell you 100% if you're gonna have a healthy baby after something like this or not. But she is she is just a bunch of energy, crazy little girl. She cannot sit still, she keeps me on my toes. So again, if you wonder why I'm so skinny and I do eat everything I bake, because I run after her morning till night. So she gives me all the exercise I need. I don't need any gym. I have gym at home. If I wanted to fix that muscle, I could. The doctor can sew the muscle together, and it will take about 6 to 8 weeks me being in a cast. So I'll be exchanging my bump for a scar, and for me this is not worth it. It doesn't hurt me, it doesn't bother me. There are more important things in life than, little something like this, and I decided it's okay, I can live with that. But again, I know it's visible, and some of you might wonder, like, what is this? So this is the explanation. That's why I have this bump, and it's gonna stay with me until the day I die. I'm happy I'm alive right now, because like I said, 10% chances of survival, and for my baby 0. I'm thankful I'm alive, I'm pretty healthy. I love the baking, I love the cooking, and I have 2 healthy children. So there's lots to be thankful for. Just wanted to let you know why, and wish you a great day, great weekend, and happy baking. Thank you.